Beautiful. We're at ATC right now, and here are the students grappling right now. Don't look at me. They wish they could be on my level.
I am your level.
This guy's Gumby's on my level, and this guy too. These two, everyone else wish they can be on my level right now.
What is it?
I'll take like.
No, making out with that shit. What are you guys doing? Seriously. They're like talking.
I'm asking her a question.
It's called grappling. You grapple.
I'm learning.
You don't learn how to grapple. You grapple.
How you learn?
What?
I don't know. Trying to sound
cool? It's okay. I do that sometimes too.
Yo. That's how you do the grappling stuff.
The only time I videotape, Zach's not here. Big Z.
Where's the Murdo showing coming?
Murdo should be showing up. Okay, now we go to camera 2. Here we go. We got some action right here.
Nope.
Don't look at me.
Pictures. Trying to take a picture.
I don't like videos either.
He's not a fan of YouTube.
I'm not even gonna put it on YouTube.
We're not even gonna put it.
Yeah,
I'm not putting audio, so I can tell you that. Like,
yeah, there's no audio for this, but.
Marna, you know how to get out. Come on. Hey. So does he though.
I don't know how to get out from here.
Yeah. The third. Oh, let's go. There you go. That's better than nothing. Oh, it's a repress to the other hand.
What I want you to do right now is do a back foot.
Here we go. 3 minutes.
Dude, I was recording at Six Flags, this, and my glasses almost got lost, thanks. Yeah. Oh, dude, it would just been flipped and fire if I recorded on X2. Video 3, boom. X2's dope. Dude, top 2's insane though. It's like when you're going up, you're looking at your death.
That's scary though.
When you first go up, yeah, it's like, yo, we could it's game over for us if we just fall right here.
It's like I'm looking down, like I want to get out.
Just like that. Like, okay, I'm not comfortable being here, and then you go on the ride.
What's the word?
Oh no.
Why are you like that?
The guillotine.
He went in there and making some audio, so I'm still waiting.
1 minute and 45 minutes.
Come on, Christian, show me what you got. That'll be out there, dude, since you love me so much.
No, okay.
Oh, hell yeah, we got more time. Oh, with knee to the neck.
Oh, this is intense. I cannot walk through the fast.
Don't walk through the middle of the floor, young man.
Did you even listen?
He was like right there, so I was like, oh, I'm not in the middle no more. Christian in the jackhammer going at it. Don't look at me.
42 seconds left.
Oh, not bad. The last 10 seconds are always the best. Go for it.
I'm trying. I can't do anything.
Help him out right now. Look at me, look at me, help him out. What are you doing?